Dear lecturer, I hope you are well. My name is John Pierre Meyer. My student number is 483-13629. I will be doing a lot of reading as I go through my presentation because I want to make sure I cover everything. This is my reflection on the ICT integrated lesson I taught for grade 4 Natural Science and Technology. The CAPS topic was life and living, and the lesson was about what plants need to grow. The lesson objectives were for learners to name 4 things that plants need to grow, namely sunlight, water, air, and soil. Second, to explain why each factor is important for plant growth. And third, to identify these factors in real life examples. For the introduction, which was 10 minutes of the lesson, I displayed a healthy plant and a not so healthy plant using PowerPoint on the projector. I asked learners, which plant looks healthier and why do you think one plant looks unhealthy? The purpose was to activate prior knowledge and create interest. The learners observed the plants and shared ideas from their own experience. I also played a 1-minute YouTube time-lapse video of a seed sprouting to make the introduction visual and engaging. The ICT made it easy for all learners to see the difference, and the video got them excited about the topic. In the lesson development, which was 35 minutes, I had 3 activities. Activity 1 was about water. I showed pictures of watered and unwatered plants on PowerPoint. I explained the importance of water, that roots absorb water from the ground. The learners compared the pictures and discussed their observations. For activity 2 on sunlight, I showed pictures of plants grown in sunlight and in darkness. I explained what a plant needs to grow at a simple level. That leaves use sunlight to make food. The learners identified differences and predicted which plant would grow better. For activity 3 on soil and air, I explained that roots absorb nutrients from soil and that leaves take in air. The examples examined in a plant diagram on the smartboard and did an interactive drag and drop activity to match plant needs to the correct parts of the plant. They labeled roots, stem, and leaves. The ICT tools I used were PowerPoint, YouTube, and a projector, a smartboard, and a Bluetooth speaker for clear audio. For conclusion, the last 10 minutes, I asked the learners 3 questions. What are the 3 things plants need to grow? Why is sunlight important? What happens when plants do not get enough water? The learners answered orally. Then I asked them to name the 4 things plants need to grow. They drew a plant in their workbooks and labeled sunlight, water, air, and soil. I used thumbs up and thumbs down to check understanding of each plant need. This paper-based activity allowed quick formative assessment and consolidated that plants need all 4 factors to stay healthy. Reflect on ICT integration, PowerPoint helped me present clear plant images and CAPS objectives to the whole class. The YouTube video showed growth that we cannot see in real time. The smart board drag and drop made learners active, not passive. This helped them achieve the objective of identifying plant needs because they were physically matching each need to the plant part. The projector and speaker made sure every learner could see and hear. For learners with different abilities, the visual images helped struggling readers. The video helped visual learners, and the hands-on smartboard activity helped kinesthetic learners. In conclusion, the ICT tools made the lesson more engaging and helped me meet all three lesson objectives. The learners could name, explain, and identify what plant need to grow. Thank you for listening to my reflection.